Hey Duff Mustangs, I wanted to share with you about the Arlington Public Library and how you could check out books and even do curbside assistance. So on our Duff website on this home page, if you scroll down to the very bottom, there's some blue links down here. And this link right here says Arlington Public Library. We have an actual link that will take you right to the web page. Their webpage, and you can search their catalog and find books and put in your library account information if you already have a library book or sorry, library card. Ask your parents because you probably have one. If you don't, you can get one for free, and you can always check out 2 library books with your lunch number. So let me show you this little slide here of the Arlington Public Library. Sorry. Bear with me. Oh, goodness. Let's start from the beginning. That'd be a good idea. All right. So here we have their curbside pickup. They have many materials that you can check out from home. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to place a hold through their website. And remember, on that Duff homepage, there's the link to the website, and it's also written right there for you in this screen. So you're going to put a hold on your item, and then you'll be notified by email or phone or a text message, depending on how your parents have it set up, and let you know when the books are ready. And step 3. So you're going to park in the designated curbside pickup area. They have this at all the branches. You'll call the number and let the library staff know that you are there to pick up your items. Then you need to have your library card number or your lunch number ready so that you can check out your books. And you also need to provide like the make and model and color of your car so they know who to come out to and give the books to. The library staff will take the items in the basket in the cart and place them on a table in a designated area and stand at the door of the building and watch while patrons pick up their items. So it's like a, hands-free pickup. And here's some information. If you use your library card, you can get up to 10 books per visit. And there's the times, the pickup times. And boys and girls, make sure when you're searching for books at the Arlington Public Library and you're in 3rd through 6th grade, look for the Battle of the Books. Start getting your hands on those. And if you're in 4th and 5th grade, they also have our Battle of the Book list. So go ahead and start checking out books.